never used to matter. In fact, most people never even knew they had low NAD because they never reached any sort of dangerous level. But like everything today, we are seeing a massive decline. In 2012, they conducted a massive study by Masudi and colleagues that tested the skin of human beings across the board to see what their NAD levels were. Now, what they confirmed unequivocally, that's never been up for debate, is that as you get older, your NAD stores go down. This is fundamentally what causes aging. This is why people talk about not having as much energy as they did when they were younger. It's the reason that their skin starts to wrinkle. It's the reason that all of their bodily function starts to decay, because we no longer have the cellular energy necessary to perform those bodily functions the way we did when we were young. Otherwise, there's no reason we couldn't technically stay young forever. The reason we know this is that some people have really grasped this idea of aging starts at the cellular level, and then if you focus solely on that cellular mechanism, then you can stop and even reverse aging. Now, for some of you that might be a little bit younger in your 30s or even 20s, you might wonder, why do I need this? We'll get to that here in a second. Because what they also found in that study is that NAD levels are decreasing even in younger populations. Now, it's important to note that NAD is going to decide how every function of the body operates. Just the same way that mitochondria is going to decide the way every function of the body operates, NAD is the fuel that makes the mitochondria run, because we've got mitochondria in every part of our body. It's in our eyes, it's in our ears, it's in our skin, it's in our muscles, it's in everything. And every cell has a specific instruction, a specific code that's going to tell our body to do the function it was made to do. So our liver cells are going to run a functioning liver. Now, if those cells don't have enough energy to function a liver, that's when we experience things like liver failure. Don't get me started on what happens in the brain when you don't have the brain cells active enough to run the brain. That's when we start seeing memory decline, brain fog. As you get older, all